Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to copy on Canon Pixma TS5151. To start copying you don't need to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct or to your home Wi-Fi network, just follow these simple steps. Okay, let's go. First you need to correctly place the document you wish to copy. To do this, open the scanning unit lid and put your document facing down and align the top left corner with this arrow pointing to the corner of the scanning surface, like this. So align it. Now close the lid. Now on the printer's home screen, make sure the copy mode is selected and outlined with yellow border. If you're not on the home screen, just press the home button once, select copy. Using the navigation arrows, press OK. And select between standard copy or borderless copy if you wish to print image without borders, frame erase copy, photocopy, or even ID card copy. So let's select standard copy so far. Now select the number of copies in this square, press OK, and use up and down arrows to select number of copies you need. Let's make one so far. Now select settings. Here you have a lot of different settings, but I'm not gonna go through them because for the most people standard settings are fine for copying. If you want to dive deep into the details, the user manual of your printer will help you. So let's go back. Also you can see a preview. It's already scanning the document. Now you can upscale or downscale your preview using up and down arrows. Press OK over here. And to start copying, press the black button for black and white copy or green color button at the bottom to make a color copy. Before start copying, make sure you have some paper in the front cassette or in the rear tray of your printer. I have A4 paper loaded in the front cassette, so just let's press the copy button and wait for printer to do its job. Well, it's done and it's good enough, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Have a nice day.